Cynthia Fanning, product journal manager for a dishwasher company, says, to be competitive, we have to look for every opportunity to improve efficiencies and productivity while increasing the quality. Lean manufacturing principles have improved every aspect of our processes in the VUCA world. So, here are 5 approaches for lean transformation leaders to avoid politics while deploying lean. Number 1, understanding the lean philosophy and thinking. At the 2013 LCI Summit UK, Daniel Johns said, one of the great mysteries of Toyota production system was discovering that Toyota made people first and then built cars that people wanted. Techniques, tools and technologies helps a lot to implement lean construction, but they are not sufficient by themselves. If you want to be successful for a long term in the VUCA world within your organization, you need to have an army of people who believe and live the lean philosophy. Number 2, quick feedback loops between employees and managers. Companies that want to succeed in the VUCA environment with lean must move from a hierarchical command and control management towards a stage in which employees can easily propose their ideas and implement them to improve as well. This way of thinking implies having leaders, not bosses, who support and effectively manage ideas and daily improvements. Number 3, track performance. You must track the performance of your lean implementation during lean leadership. One method of doing is to rely on analytics by collecting data across each step of your processes. In addition, set up key performance indicators as goal posts and closely follow if your transition to lean is reaching those KPIs. Number 4, focus on continual long-term improvement. A critical aspect of lean is continuous learning and improvement. In a sense, there is no final goal except to simply removing and preventing wasteful processes and delivering values to the customer. Be it a change in manufacturing technology or even complicacy, new wasteful processes could emerge in the future. The lack of expertise, training, change management, data, and buy-in makes the task of implementing lean manufacturing quite difficult. Number 5 is implement gradually. Start your lean implementation with a single team. By starting small, you are mitigating the risk implementation. In fact, you can use the phased rollout approaches to minimize disruptions as well as pilot its effect as it spreads across your operations. So, my dear leaders, in the VUCA world, leadership is not just leading a team in a conventional manner. It also means leading a team with a vision, understanding, courage, and adaptability. Hope this video is quite helpful. Please share if you like our videos, and thanks for watching.